In this video I'm going to show you how to create a Google Forms survey questionnaire. First you need to open Google Chrome and then you need to go to the Google Apps over here. Select it and then you need to scroll down till you see Forms over here. And from here you can start a new form and you can create a blank one. Or you can also choose from the template gallery. So if you select template gallery over here, you will see more templates. So party invite for example, or a job application. There are a couple of templates to choose from, so it can help you get started. But in this demo we are going to create a blank form, so this one, and we call it questionnaire. You can also fill in a description for the people who are going to fill in the questionnaire. And now you can add all the questions. So the first one, we call it question 1 for this demo, but here you can insert your question. And let's say you want to know if the person is a boy or a girl. And here you can choose what kind of question it is. So it can be a short answer, like email address, and then people can fill in their email address. You can create a paragraph, which is a longer answer. So for example, if you want to know how people found you, you can ask them for a longer answer. Multiple choice for genders, for example. Check boxes, drop down. And these are the options that you can choose from. So let's say first we've got the multiple choice. Male, and then over here you can select the next option, female, prefer not to say. So as you can see, it filled in it automatically. So it knew when I filled in male, the second one was female, and the third one is prefer not to say. So here you can make the question required, so people need to give an answer. And now we are going to create the next question. So you need to select this plus sign, add question, and this is question 2. So paragraph, and then they give a long answer, and you can add a new question again. So add question over here. Let's say checkboxes, question 3, A, B, and C. And you can also change the position of the question. So you see this icon over here with the dots. You can hold the question and you can drag and drop it. It's also possible to send someone to another question based on their answer. So if I go to question 1, for example, I go to these 3 dots, and here you can choose go to section based on answer. So let's say if someone is a female, you can send them to another section, or you can submit the form, so then it's done. Could be a possibility. If you want to add another section, you can go over here and you will see add section. So now we got 2 sections. You can also add videos, images, or text. And this is the way to create your form. And if you want to see the responses on your form, you need to go to responses over here. Then you will see the list and you can check out some data. You can also go to the settings of your questionnaire and you can make it a quiz, for example. And you can also configure the responses, so collect email addresses and stuff like that. Here at presentation you can show a progress bar, for example, or you can shuffle the questions. Just check out all the settings and create it as per your requirements. If you want to change the layout of your form, you need to go to this button over here, customize theme. And here you can change the text style or the colors. You can also add an image as the header image. So let's say we want an image of a car or something else. Then it will look like this. If you want to check the layout of your form, you need to go to this eye icon over here, so the preview. And this is how other people will see your form. Here you can go back to customize. And when you are done, you can send your form to other people. So here you can select send. And you can send it via email, or you can copy this link, for example. You can shorten it and then copy, and then you can go to your email or WhatsApp or Telegram or whatever you want to use, and you can paste the URL and then people can fill in your form. And this is how to create Google Forms survey questionnaire. Please leave a like and subscribe to my channel if the video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.